Hello, the story of today is Don't Push the Button, okay? And it was written and illustrated by Cotter. Okay, shall we start? Okay. Hello, this is my friend Larry, okay? Larry is nice. He's purple, isn't he? Okay, he says, welcome to my book. So everybody say hello to Larry. Okay, but he tells you there is one rule, and the rule is don't push the button. Okay, remember? Don't. Says, seriously, don't think about it. No pushing the button, remember? But it does look nice, doesn't it? It's round and red. Maybe we should push one little bit. Once, only once, eh? Okay, everybody, finger ready. 1, 2, 3, push. Push the button. Okay. Oh, what happened? Oh no, what color is Larry now? You're right, he's yellow. He's changed color. Okay, quick, push again. Let's go, push again. Okay, everybody, finger ready. Push. Oh, it's yellow. No. Oh no, and now what is it? What has he got? He's got purple dots, polka dots. Oh, come on, push again. Okay, we're going to push twice. Ready? Finger. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. Now, press 2. What happened now? Now there are 2 Larrys. 2 yellow Larrys with purple dots all over. Okay. Larry says, push the button many times. Are we ready? Finger ready. 1, 2, and 3. Many times. Push. We push many times. Now what happened? We have lots of Larrys. Oh no! So, Larry has an idea. If we shake the book, maybe the other Larrys will go away. So, are you ready? We are going to shake the book. 1, 2, 3. Shake. Okay, so we look, see if Larry's there. Yes, but I think we need a little bit of extra shaking. Are you ready? Okay, let's go and do a little bit more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shake. Shake. Okay, let's go and look. Oh, now only one Larry, but he's still yellow and he still has purple dots. Oh look, he has an instructions book. Let's go and see what he says. Larry, what does he say? He says, if we scratch Larry's tummy, he will get back to normal. So everybody, let's scratch Larry's tummy. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Scratch. Shh. Can you scratch your tummy too? Scratch. Okay, let's go and see what happens. Wow, Larry's back to purple. Wasn't that fun? Yeah, it was kind of fun, wasn't it? Maybe we can push once more or twice again, shall we? Or maybe not. Maybe we do it next time. Okay, I hope you like the book. Okay, I promise we'll come back with another one very soon. Thank you and goodbye.